Hey guys, it's beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I labeled it how to wear red and blue eyeshadow together because of the colors I used in my eye look today, obviously. Anyway, I didn't really know what I was going to film today. I started doing another look, wiped it off, and then I was like, you know what? You've had this palette sitting around, you've been meaning to film with it. So I finally did. I used the LUMINESS Cosmetics Strength palette. Now, I have done this look before without the blue, but while I was doing this look, I saw the blue next to the red and I was like, use the blue. You can just add it right in. So yeah, that's what I did today. The LUMINESS cosmetic shadows are pigmented. Let's get a few here. Those shadows, so freaking pigmented. I think the color palette in this palette is just very odd, and not a lot of people are going to really know how to use it. Anyway, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I'm starting off with Kat Von D's Outlaw lip liner as my base, and I'm going to draw that in the outer V of my eye and bring that up into my crease. Of course, I'm going to use a dual fiber blending brush. This one is from Luxie.
At the end of a black hole, cold, lost and upside down. Faces swirling past me, all my memories rolling vastly. Cold, lost beneath the ground.
As soon as I have that blended out, I'm going to set that with a loose powder. Now I'm going into the LUMINESS Strength palette, and it opens up like this. I'm going to take the shade Energy, which is the red, and I'm going to pack that on and blend that out into the outer V and crease of my eye. Next, I grabbed SUGARPILL Suburbia eyeshadow as my transition shade because it definitely needed something to blend out the edges. Next, I'm taking the shade Aura, and I am going to apply that to the inner third of my eye. I did wet my brush just a teeny bit so that it would glide on much smoother. And then taking the shade Passion, I'm going to add this to the center of my lid.
Like leaves falling in September. Cold, wet, and on the ground.
Then I'm taking Kat Von D's Satellite lip liner, and I'm adding this to my waterline and along my lower lash line. I feel like I'm getting so redundant with my voiceovers. Do the same thing over and over again. Anyway, blending that out with a brush, and now I'm taking Infinity from the palette, and I'm adding this over top. Then I'm just bringing my blending brush down and kind of adding more red to the lower lash line as well. Finishing off the look with the brand new House of LASHES Juliette lashes, and this is the finished eye look. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. On my lips, I am wearing, it's a combo. I am wearing the COVERGIRL Supermodel Melting Pout Matte Lipstick. And then I have the MAC NICOPANDA Dreamz Gloss over top. It's a navy with like reflex in it. It's so pretty. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. See you on the next one. Bye guys.